Come on, Lily.
Oh, we gotta find Easter eggs.
There's some Easter eggs.
Oh, we'll pick them all.
Hey, how about this one? Hey, Lily,
Lily, look.
Easter eggs.
can you find them all?
Yes.
Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at her, Mickey. I've got 5, 6,
How many, Lily?
7,
Count them. Lily, count in Spanish.
8.
Lily, count in Spanish.
There is not one.
That's not one.
That's that one's full.
But Lily, count in Spanish. Want to?
She's got them little slippers on.
Yes.
There you go. Jay said, let's put your shoes on. No, don't worry about it.
Uh-oh, I see one, Lily.
Where?
The yellow one.
You. Right behind you.
That yellow one? See if that's on there.
Yay!
Lily, look over here. There's one in the tree. Look. Lily.
Why does she keep throwing that yellow one down?
She don't like
break
it.
apart.
That is broken
There's
apart.
something wrong with that yellow one.
Broken apart.
Hey, Lily, look behind you. Look behind you. There's a yellow one.
It's rotted, hasn't it, Lily? Here's something.
Lily,
Look.
Lily, pick this one.
I see a
Broken,
green
boy.
one.
It's broken. She
Brenda,
don't
you
want it.
can't keep showing them to her.
Look, Lily.
Wait a minute, Jay,
I see
stop.
another green one.
She won't pick this one up
I
because
see
it's
3 yellow
Put it in the
ones.
bush.
You know why she's not picking that yellow one up?